Come on, we gotta get out of here.
What's the life expectancy of a stuntman?
Well, it depends on how many high school friends he meets.
Oh, ha! Ooh! Give a girl a warning, will you, Colt?
All right, he's trying to kill us.
Oh, wow!
Gonna have to get nearer to him. Stay steady enough for me to get off one good shot.
You know, that guy's good. He knows what we're trying to do. Keeps on changing directions on me.
One time is all I need.
We'll get it.
What are our chances, Colt?
No boogie would take this bet.
How close are they to the border?
About 5 kilometers.
We're not too far behind you.
The border's coming up fast. All I need is one good shot.
I'll bring it in low behind him. It'll make it harder for him to dodge us.
Okay. Doing it.
Oh, my God! What are you trying to do?
Stay alive.
Well, there's gotta be an easier way than this.
Yeah, stay away from rich men.
Hard to do. Power fascinates. Danger makes life more exciting, doesn't it? I think we're a lot alike. Only you go for this physical danger, and I just take emotional chances. You're not very talkative.
You wouldn't like what I gotta say.
Try me.
We're running out of gas.
Oh. Oh, he's so low he can't miss.
I'm gonna try and make it over that hill.
Oh, can we make it?
Well, the question is, can they?
Get her! We're too low!
Well, shall we make a dash for it? We're awful close.
Not close enough. I work for a bail bonds company.
So? And you came here after me? Came to take me back?
Hey, Mary!
You gotta be kidding. I'm not going anywhere with you. Stop it now. Stop it. I'm not getting... Stop! I'm not going anywhere with you. Turn this car around. You can't take me back.
You're under arrest.
Hey, can we talk?
What a flash!
Fantastic! Keep all cameras rolling.
Oh, you got them! They're blowing all over the place!
Okay, that's it. Let's break off.
And that took care of that job. You're not peeking, are you?
Oh, no, you're safe.
I didn't think so. You're much too honorable for that.